Make a great choice today with the 2019 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.